Unong tauan ke Kongres na gambe gre Saleng is sang ma ulapan Jingshai na sarkar jela da kababut jing kali halor ka jing moraman ya ki Jaka sa Pulit la ki police headquarter bat ki barak ha ka jela bat ki district headquarter da bapen pau bagi Jaka Pulit kim long ki ba ibet ibiang bat ki long kum ki Slum kumba ulalab. Haba jubab ya ketika jing kali ha ka kenta kali jing kali ha ka sngi ben rio jing dorbar mang tingka jong ka yang dorbar tauan ka jela ha ka arpulai trik rempang arja arpusa uba prestun tensong usembut menteri rang ba ka jelau bari kmi ya ka tanat kampo yeng ulaong ba ka sarkar kala ya chakmat ban penbiang ya ki jing non kam baro kat kum ka jing pan ki superintendent of police lani u director general of police.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question 110. A, yes, sir. B, sir, it is as per statement placed on the table of the House. C, sir, does not arise in view at A and B above.
Mr. Speaker,
Saleng, supplementary question.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. To you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to thank the Honourable Home Minister in charge, Police, who has already laid place answer on the House. But I still wanted to know whether the department has identified the bad conditions of those quarters and the barracks which is still not yet renovated. If there is, how many? Which is still not yet.
Yeah. Sir, I think let me take a little more time to clarify on this issue, because the question was addressed to PWD building, not to home police exactly. So my reply here is, as far as PWD building is concerned, yes, repairing work is done, and this list has already placed on the table of the House according to the building register that we have. Then whatever small repairing takes place requested by the concerned SP or by the concerned DGP, then PWD building does that. But when we talk about the totality of maybe new construction or complete renovation or improvement of the existing buildings, that is being taken care of by home police.
Why I'm asking this very question is this, Mr. Speaker, sir. Our police force on the ground, they've been working day and night, and then some of their quarters and the barracks are not in a situations where they can even stay with the family, even stay with the team also. That's why, if in the future, if those areas can be identified and then given good renovations, I think that would, I would like to suggest at least identify the areas where the, sometimes in such barracks it's like a slum area. I have seen that one with my own eyes. So if that can be seen and then given a proper look up, then uplift all the facelift the any quarters of barracks where they are holding up. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, sir. So as far as building, PWD building is concerned, I've already replied. And now with the additional supplementary question raised by the honourable member, sir, during this current year, quite a number of reformation takes place in the police, in the police department. One, because after identifying and realizing that this is the need of the hour to improve the place, be it the police station, be it the police outpost, and be it the quarters in the respective outpost or in the respective district or in the respective police station. So we have created a separate engineering wing, and now the engineering wing is fully operationalized, headed by the executive engineer along with the assistant engineer and then the junior engineers. So now they are in place, and also we started working out, identifying those dilapidated buildings wherever need be, the estimate is being prepared, and I'm so happy to also inform that in this current financial year, the government, state government has earmarked 50 lakh rupees each district, each SPs, to meet these challenges, which is on emergency basis, be it the barrack or be it the quarters or be it the offices of the police. So we are taking it up, sir, and I assure the honourable members and also the members of this House that we will further strengthen and we will make sure that the place where the police personnel up to the grassroots level is at least up to the standards.